How to use Viidure app to playback videos. Please scan the QR code on the manual to download the Viidure app, or search for it on the Apple Store or Google Play. This is the Viidure app. Power on the camera and hold the photo button to turn on the camera's Wi-Fi. Open the Viidure app and click on the Connect button. Turn on your mobile phone's Wi-Fi function and find the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot signal starting with Wi-Fi camera. Connect to this camera's Wi-Fi hotspot with the password 12345678. If the Viidure app asks you to switch to another Wi-Fi or mobile data, please don't switch. Click the Into Camera button, and you will see the camera preview page. You can stop video recording or capture a photo here. Click the camera file icon to download or playback the videos. We suggest downloading the large video file first to ensure smooth playback. Some tips. It would be better to adjust the camera settings using the Cam Manager. The Viidure app cannot adjust settings on the camera. Please use an iPhone for better playback experience. You can also use Roadcam app instead of Viidure app.